Alright, I'm going to go over the theme options panel. I had gone over the logo in another video, but I'll cover the rest right now. So you can get to the theme options panel by hovering over your site name and going to customize, or via your dashboard by going appearance and customize. So we broke things down into different sections. Your theme settings, for instance, is your logo, and then you have some options as far as like displaying comments on pages and displaying a sidebar on the portfolio pages. Next, you have some other options for your portfolio where you can adjust how many posts per page and how many columns. So for instance, we can type in 3 and you'll see the posts now are in 3 columns, and you can do that with 4 as well, or 2 like the default. And then post per page, here's 1 post per page, and you'll see the navigation show up down there. And you have the same control over shop, your e-commerce. So that covers the theme settings. The next thing is your homepage settings, and so that's if you're on your homepage, you can adjust the columns of these child pages and then your slider options. So you can change the transition, turn autoplay on or off, and etc. And then the last one for settings wise is footer. So you can adjust your copyright text. If you have your widgets, you can adjust the column count for the widgets. And then you can do cool things like adding your social icons here. And by typing a link, it automatically shows or hides the icon. And you have a ton of options for that. So that's the theme options panel. Just kind of helps with various options. The next thing to go over is background colors. And these are basically all of the main background colors through your site. Buttons, backgrounds, all sorts of good stuff. And in general, it's top to bottom. So header is your header area, and you can adjust that. I'm just going to make it bright blue so you can see the change. And if you don't like that, you can always click default to go back to the default, and you can do all sorts of stuff adjusting the color as you need. Then you have your page title background color, which is this right here, and you can adjust that like so. So it's green, and then change back to default if you want the default color. I'm going to reopen the options panel real quick. Alright, and these are pretty self-explanatory though, but you can keep playing around with the options. If you like the change, you can always save and publish it, or cancel the change that you've made. And you have the same color over, or same control over font colors. You can adjust the main body font color, links, headings, the navigation, the drop downs, all sorts of color options. So you have a lot of control in that theme options panel.